of grapefruit upon this. You have anything else to export?
No, just no.
Daddy, grapefruit will sit upon this.
So the bees them baba all over in the peas, yeah, so.
And the peas them are upon again.
The blossom.
The blossom upon the flowers. The blossom upon the grass.
Gangster. They're in the bush right now. So then it Baba. Right now, me I deal with that. So right now, me I lean up on the banana tree, cause on the banana tree I have to do some serious talking. You see me? Why tree a strong man? Yeah? A planting? Planting tree, them strong, them tall. Hey, planting tree, we have to do some serious talking. You see me? I say, the people them on YouTube say, you know, beer good enough. You see me?
That's a get rid of it to heal.
Long time you have it to do.
What? Sure. You see me that come here, come and tell me, say, me not planting, man. I say, who you? Yeah, planting, no?
So you can't cut them, you just have to untie them.
Yes. Can't cut them, man. You cut them, they're dead. Nigga, I'm dead, man.
So what made you leave them here to begin with?
No have no time.
You didn't have no time.
No time. Just that me actually tell you at all time. It's just that me know. Let me tell you what me do in a plan. Me have this bad toothache where I give me problems.
Okay.
So when me should not concentrate on this now, me can't focus. By the time now me have one next piece of ground now. We hit half a plant too.
Mm-hmm.
So instead of me coming, when me go plant that the piece of ground now then the teeth get down for me worse.
Mm-hmm.
So I couldn't reach to this one.
Mm-hmm.
Because I have one next going over the hill this way. It's long, it get long for me too. I have one piece of going over this way. Them are not bad. Them bad.
You mean the yam them heaped up to you?
No, them planting a hill already.
Okay, but them not pop on stick yet.
They not go past stick.
Boy.
And them bad. It's not bad. Them bad, that's 600 light down there.
Boy, man, I tell you, a baby them.
Them are easy for manage.
If you not pay attention to them.
You have to pay attention to them things, man. So you can't waste your time. So I tell you, if I don't come here for one day, I lose, you know. I'm in a problem. If I don't come on my ground for 1 day or 2 days. When you know the attack when you have when you catch back. Perfect. Let me give thanks because they drop out 95% take. See there? You see them come here and I had the lunch.
You don't pay no man to work here?
No, sir. I come here yesterday with my lunch, you see? And now at 2 o'clock, 1 o'clock. I don't remember some lunch because I can't left it home. I came back home. Yes, me have to see. I do work, I have to concentrate, and I mean, I think I have time to go catch up the fire. Therefore, that's me catch here this morning. Couldn't catch the fire. Because same as how I jump over here, so. I never hesitate, I just start doing what I have to do. And when they work hold me so, couldn't go catch up the fire, I tell you. So we done here now. Let's plant, never start plant now. Just 1 hour from now, we don't know. But then you cannot do now. It's carrying me a plant. So they get them out there. Can you see them now? You see, if you plant and you get the rain, them a start catch back right away. Right away. So once them are catching and nothing to do with this, you start bust a new vine right as. So even if up here, so like when you see Ben here, so just so we no grow back up here, so, but to bust one down here. So no do them. Once you have meat in a hit, and see they're solid. I'm want to look at all the next 2 weeks from now. You just get a little salt fertilizer coming through upon them, and when you come and you can't believe certain things. You start spring back right away. You catch up there, yo? Alright, come in again.
So he'll bring them, you'll plant them.
Hmm?
He'll bring them and you'll plant them.
No. Yes, that's what we are going to do today.
Do you have to wrap the vines on each of these yourself?
Yeah. Because you can't leave them for them grow wide.
How long does stick last you? A year, 2 years? 5
3
years?
years, some of them, but some of them, last year, I cut them a stick. But this is going to stick it, you know? I push off the jang because I just wrap on the yam and we are going to cut stick and double them. I might get another little green one side of them to hold them up. You see them here, man? And yesterday they did plant. So we are moving them from this piece of land because the dirt's light for them. So we are going to go for strong dirt up there. So. Because they might be a good for stronger dirt. But they might be anyway, lighter and strong. It's a round leaf.
Round leaf yam.
Yes.
From nigger yam
Yellow,
needs strong red dirt.
Yes, the nigger yam love the strong red dirt. None of the light dirt. So you are going to throw and you have a look at and you wrap a yam. You're going to have to pass it. Wrap it.
I'm sorry to tell you this. If I have kids, daughter or whatever, they come into the field to wrap the yams. That's going to be for them job.
Yeah, they can't do that, but...
Everybody going to have a job in my family now.
But remember, say this, you know.
You know.
Remember, say
the new equality for the world is woman does everything.
But when we don't...
If you can't wrap yam, you can't eat yam. Big man like you, we have more important things to do, hard work. You're supposed to wrap yam.
Why not?
Kids would have loved to wrap yams.
Kids.
They would have loved it.
Depends on which kids. That's what you are saying now, you know. You can't talk
when you, if me a farmer, my daughter said, Anais, I want you to wrap all the yams. Him would have bring him friend come and told him would have wrap yam till my full.
Yeah, I said no, man.
Yeah,
you can't talk anything.
Come here, pay them.
You got a different story, you know.
You pay them for wrap the yam.
Oh.
You're not supposed to wrap yam. You're a big farmer. You leave the small stuff. Delegation is one of the greatest things in the world, you know.
If me follow you see, we feel foolish to say that, you know. My grandmother did out. Remember say, me can't sit where and say, left you picking you do this.
Some of the work hard for you.
None of the work not hard for me, man. So yes.
No, my man says some of the work are your work.
Every one of them.
Some of the work easy.
All the work with them that is going to have to do it. And ever hit that for me. You don't know special work for nobody. I know work for the for nobody. Say who should I not do this or who should I not do that. You know, you're not them. And you still every work I done. You don't have to worry about say because they're picking in and come wrap you and make you know. When Denton and Kay go to school, you see? Yeah. 5 days a week.
Yeah.
And him for wake up Saturday morning for washing clothes and get back in uniform to get
Saturday?
On Saturday. If you go back to school Monday morning, when we get time if you can't come wrap him.
So wait there. So if him, you tell me say if him wash him clothes in the morning.
In the morning?
8 o'clock Saturday morning.
So who clean up the house and do these things? So you don't know home duty. So we have
to
take him off to come around.
Them go to church for 1 hour.
And him go to church.
You tell me say them now have 5 hours for spare.
For do what? We're not going to do the 5 hours now.
Wrap yam.
So you know why no rest? Me get rest you know?
Maybe true you never grew up with uncle, that's why you don't understand what I say.
I'm sorry now because hard as me. Even I could have go with him look more, you see? Right now him no work off half.
Because I'm delegate. The man don't know work.
Not even as half
When
as
picnic
hard
there
as
on him,
me.
him delegate. The man
So
don't
if
know
you ever
work
tell me
hard.
about Uncle Dennis,
Him no work hard. Him know if he make picnic work hard.
well, they talk to me now. He know how to give you work.
Yes.
I know him work.
I know him work.
But me work.
You have some man know for delegate better than some man. Some man will do everything themselves. Some man, they now pick the man and then sit down and watch TV.
You're not supposed to. This is the thing why we don't understand when they bring in a Jamaica now. We want you to understand. You see a child in your house. You, right now you can't have a business place in Jamaica employ your picking in if you work now. For the government to watch you now. So they say the children must not be an employee. So you can't tell me something.
It's funny how the Chinese them have them look at Chinese picnic for them store of work. Right now in Jamaica, you saw.
No, but a different thing now, a different law.
Okay.
The Chinese come here for work. The Chinese
Indians them picnic in a them restaurant.
Yeah, listen me I say to you, man.
Yeah.
When the Chinese them come here, see?
Yeah.
I work them come here for work. Then they find working thing.
Yeah.
So you can watch the Chinese. Because the Chinese no come here for. If you come sit down, them anytime you see them come here with them shipload of people, I walk the market, them come here for come work, a job they get. Just like how when the farm worker left here. No matter why you want to be in a farm, I work in America. Go. You can't go down and go sit down in a air condition. You go there to work. So I saw the Chinese them come here to do. They come here to work. So no matter how you want to see them look in a business place, they have their age.
No man, hear me say, I'm not going to have some man to sit down in the house and yam and rap. I'm not going to do it. And give money, and then give money. No, I'm sorry, Baba.
That's what I'm business with for your policy. For your policy, and for me, I do for me. You know?
But me just said to you, you know, me know you do your thing the way you do your thing.
Yeah.
But me just said,
when say had someone to sit down in the house,
me would never give a human money. A human. Unless he might help me. I go find a way to help me.
Well,
no human now get nothing from me unless they help me, no, even if they're my family.
Yeah, did it. Go on with that.
Because enough work you have yourself in a bridge.
You know what you go be your problem if I go come bush come sit down watch the amount.
No. What I'm saying, when my mother work hard, you know, like implant in macaroni, you think me can touch one and eat one without your feet?
No, son, no, me that's I know whether go them the far route. Me not reach to them this stage. Say if me plant food, you see? And KK that town, watch it please, right?
Yeah.
And KK come at town and because you know come work and I go and can't get food. Them they know man, them they are foolishness man. No join anything, me never do that. Me I give him food. So you can't do honest what for your mother do you know that to you. You can't go set the trend because your mother did do you this or that. Me I go give back to Anna.
When me I do anything, Anna is have help me. Anna is help me do everything me I do. And what that instill in her is the value of hard work.
Then the picking don't know hard work.
When you have picnic sit down in a yard,
Who?
Dental never come a bush yet.
Who said that? I said that.
Kay never come a bush yet.
Who tell you that?
You see, when people only sometimes respect you, you know, when them participate in the way you do.
No man, you can't tell me say. Kay
So
didn't no come a bush, but the man a bush worker. The man a bush worker. Well, this is it now. They won't go that the man a bush worker. But they come a bush, then come a bush come help me pack him.
okay.
But the man a really, don't really.
Okay, so in Park Yam.
Yeah, pack up yam when we are dig yam and carry yam go road. But the man a everyday bushman like how me.
Well, you think the only person really will know you in your family, who it is? Who you think know you more than anybody else?
When you say no more, you mean?
Really know you. How hard you work. Who you think that person is?
Maybe you.
Denny. Denny are the only person who know how hard you work.
I know. Because I end the night every day.
Yeah, exactly.
We night every day.
Exactly.
You see where we go. Like, maybe you would have been telling him something all the way, but you know where you then I said, tell me income come prove it for himself.
Yeah, you feel it. You know.
Feel it now.
You know it.
And you know it now. You
So
see
if Denny go to road and make $1, Then he said, no, man, I not left my daddy. I send half go give me daddy.
Daddy go give him money.
Exactly. Daddy, see, I so come know how hard you work to put food in my mouth.
But can't them know them hard.
Exactly. Them I know you.
But you still can't take that kill them doing.
I know that. I not kill them, I just say.
Cause what
You see the white man? You know what the white man always do? You see when he making millions? You know him say to him, son? You see that $10 million in the bank? Not him drop a liar. And him say, you see if the boy not turn out to do nothing, don't give him a cent.
Will me not do that? No, you see, that's how some parents use now revenge their children.
It's not, no.
Yeah, man, a revenge. Guess what I know? Guess what I know? Because the youth never come up and do. Because you know, if you think, say, no, my brother, what more you understand when I try to go to you, know? Nobody analyze all of your picking them will come up and do what you are doing and want to do.
No, I'm not say that.
So, all right, look how much picking mama have. 14 picking. How much of them do farming?
Few.
None. Don't go me no more.
You.
Who again?
Yeah, just you. Pops.
And look, Pops and mama picking it. Pops are grand picking it.
Yeah.
And look how much.
I not say them for do it that you are do. I just say them better succeed whatever them are do.
So then I see that you have to tell me that now.
Yeah.
Then they attack me.
Them
So when them choose, you see?
For work hard at what them are do.
For what them do, make sure they
Them succeed.
succeed. Yeah, now you attack me. But I know say me I go tell them, say, look here. Me I say, you take over bush over this if you go push out. So come, we are going to push out you take tomorrow. That's what our parents have done too. We make you see we there so about us now. Because when we sit in a school like all them in the morning, we have to do that same wood over here and that push and take a come from way back so.
Yeah.
And when we done, we have to come down here and take up the pan wood for water for the man down here so we can want water for drink. So we no rest, we are slave. To we parents and you're not supposed to make you picking be no slave to you. So that's what we suffer. So me would have never make Denny come be no slave for me. Me and Denny, we are working partners. Fathers and sons, we are in business. The man no slave for me. That if you get up a man and say, nah, go bush me, he have to come. No man, into the yard, man. I'm gone. You see what I say? That's how we live. And if me get up tomorrow morning and then he come down a yard, and I say, yo, me know say me not gone no bush today because I feel tired. And he say, man, me good, me are gone. Him gone. So we are partners in business. None of we are no slave to one another. So you see, when he call me, they call him, this man and he already, me say, me gone. Because you me have this amount if you don't know. Me gone. So if you not come today, but if you come tomorrow, something else did it for you another day. But you know, that because I feel you're picking and you give him look food for him. You are going to feel say him going to become your slave. That's no good again, my boss. I just decided to last it. You can put the blind one in my bottom. That's what you could do. So you're picking and become no slave to you. You become slave to them. Because you get them, you respond to feed them and take care of the bird, take care of your kids until you can fend for yourself. Not true? So your responsibility. So when you that tell me now, say, you see?
Well, you see my life different from your life. You know why? A dog and hog grow me. I never have no mother and father.
No, man, I say that, man.
No, man. Listen to me, I say.
No, me not go with that. You see certain things that you tell me not go with. You can never tell me. See,
when you grew up around Massberries till you're 15 or whatever, 14.
Then you have 12 Massberries left here.
And you say mama. You did still a mama in your yard. When me get pushed out till the age 14 from Norway, we live at St. Catherine, St. Anne's, Portland, Clarendon. We only live with mama when we reach all 10 years old. No daddy never there around. So when we the uncle in yard till we 7, a hog and dog and goat, a 12 dog me used to run with. So how me grow up my life, animals me grow with. Me not grow with people.
So who you call the animal now? Them?
The dog them I grow up with.
Oh, okay. You say Dennis,
So,
them are the animal.
no. So mother and father never did that for me. You see me? So when them are beat in the house, we are beat outside.
Oh God, man, let's come on that side.
You see me?
Yeah, but I worry about. So, no, them the little things, you know, if you don't bother talk about them.
And a little things, you know.
No, you know, if you bother talk about them.
I'm just saying to you that the way my life, because the way me grew up.
You see like all that now? If I didn't me, like you, we would never talk about it because we never be in the bathroom yet.
But you never have a bathroom inside.
No, it no matter where you want it.
You never have it inside.
Listen what I say. Even if Uncle
Did
Dennis...
you have it inside?
No, listen what I say. Even if Uncle Dennis did have bathroom inside, you see?
When you...
And you throw water and clean out a door beard. You still have beard. You still not worry about that. Because, alright, all my sister, them, you see?
When you don't grow up with a mother...
All of my sister, them, when you see them,
me
turn up out a door, take up water out a ball pan and beard themselves.
Good.
And that's because...
Hear what I say to you.
A 4 piece of zinc there,
when you don't grow up with a mother and a father and somebody else grow you, you have the mercy and the will. You know what Hap did always say when him come St. Mary? And then we say, hey, Hap, me could grow your picnic for you. Hap say, if me picnic them there, ghetto dead, make them dead or ghetto. I will never send me picnic them go live with nobody. That's what Hap said. Because he knew the condition when me and him and Laxton got through when we live with people.
No, what me tell you, say, you see? Me still I come back to you, when you grow a rough life, what a rough life I done for you is prepare you for the future. If you been grow up like a gentleman boy in a house with necktie and tie, you never waste this one.
No.
Right, so all you have to do is say, thank God for the mercies.
Oh, me know, I give thanks.
Yes.
But me not make
it, out of the roughness.
I'm not making it too easy for my picnic.
No.
Because me know how the world set.
Me not say if you make it, me can't mash it, me boss. Me not say if you make it easy for them. For them if you go through look hardness in life too. But me not say if you make no sponge bait for them just sit down and jump up in that sponge bait. Me not say that. But at least you can't cheat. I mean, you would have never cheat my child. Because my father had treated me that way. No, sir. Because sometimes they don't know better, you know. Come in. Sometimes they don't know better. So they never do better. So now that me and you come up in this world of in and out. You talk about that go back to them the old days. Come up in the better things like start our plan. Start. Yeah man, come up in the better like sometimes you see, let me tell you about rough life, you see?
Yeah.
And sometimes when we done the hard work out here and go at night time, we still can't sleep in the house neither. We have to sleep under the house button. I tell you so. You might be Uncle Dennis and make you the rough life. Because maybe they might say, go look for the goat, boy. And through the boy, they don't go look for the goat. They can't go in the house tonight.
Baba, we used to. You said lightning and thunder out the road. I fall a shit pan we will make quick feeding, you know. Okay? But me and Tenny go through. You say when we are playing marble for little fun, couldn't even play marble. We couldn't watch TV inside, we have to watch TV outside.
Outside?
Beard outside. What you say now? What you say now?
Them are the return we used to have plans, I know. A strong dirt, them are doing it and put here, you know. You see them now, see there? That's it. Just cut it thick tomorrow and wrap it on the next week. You come and see them start. Move again. I just have to get them right here, so. See string them alive, sitter. Right, see them there, see them start even run since yesterday already. Alright, now I tell you now, you see? Find out till February how much? 5 months, right? No months, 4 months. November, December, January, February. 4 months, you see? Come here February, I'm dig them out tight give. And then be quick. You don't go and toss one and now again, and beer, they might start being right.
You keep doing this till you get to the 500.
This year, huh?
I'm saying you keep doing this until you reach the 200 marker.
When? Today?
I'm saying eventually.
Which one?
Then after you do this, you have to get this stick,
Mm-hmm.
to put this stick in the ground.
Yes.
Then you have to wrap them on this stick.
Wrap them on this.
A whole process, day in, day out.
Day in, day out.
So the question is, how can these be new head, where didn't you have yam in these head before?
No, dig them.
You dig them, so why didn't you just replant it as you dig it?
No, you can't plant at this.
You have to wait.
You dig your name beer back, you pop off and left the pear vine. So the vine beer back the head.
So why are these without heads, what I'm saying? Didn't you dig yam out of these heads already?
The hill them?
Yeah.
Oh, you mean them a hill?
Are there new hills?
These, yeah man, a new gong, this me a plant.
Well, this is new hills.
New hill them, man.
Okay.
This is a new gong.
So you understand my question?
Yes. A new piece of land this I will just clean up. Look how far you see there.
Mm-hmm. That's all new.
New, yeah. This
So
island never worked for the past 30 years.
30 years has never been touched.
Yes.
So these are going to be some special yams.
It's special yam.
This is where I want my yam from.
Right, and I fertilize.
Yes,
look.
sir. Mm-hmm.
This is dirt and look how the dirt heavy, you see it?
Mm-hmm.
Right.
Jamaica, good life.
So as little as you see them here, as little as and small as you see, you put them in here now.
Mm-hmm.
Them be a good yam. But I watch the size of the vine.
Mm-hmm.
You just want to get them on the stick now. And they keep moving, they get going again.
So if you, I'm just saying, if you had one guy now sticking these while you're planting them, or you can't because it's not ready to wrap yet.
If me have one guy, the most thing I get a guy should do, you know, you should go in the hill and cut the stick, push it there. So.
Put the sticks there for you.
Yes, but I know him a ticky.
You.
Yeah.
It's a technique.
Yeah. Because some man stick your gun for you and it's cold when you're done. Can you lock up it on one another. So then I go for 5 years now and then put up and stick a gun.
He doesn't put a stick for you?
I don't put a stick for me. My stick all grown man. You carrying this stick, me put it up.
Oh, wait a minute. Why doesn't Denny put the stick up?
No, but I don't want Denny to put up the stick.
Why?
I know the time for that. I learn the process.
He just putting the stick up is that much of a technique that not anyone can do it?
No man, some man, I said, ticking gun is a...
Is the hardest part of the process?
Maybe. Because you see, thing what I tell you, some people take the yam for you and they go shut up too cold and open it and give it space. It have to get space. And I just come shop one yam stick and jam it so. You look where you put the sticker onto where this one if you go.
There's a evenly distribution between all sticks.
Right. Cause some man just come catch up yam. Just jam up the stick and sometimes how they do it, boy, you know, make sense to pay a man to do the work and you have to come back and do it again.
Mm-hmm.
So you better you just go on with it. But we're not living in no problem with what we are just still, you know. We're comfortable doing it. Because our job, what we have, like the man who used to go in a bank.
Mm-hmm.
You know, say you have to go work a morning, that's it. Or when Uncle Dennis is a principal. And you know, say every morning, I have to get up go over school. This is over me and then the job, this.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, our job, we don't really have, we don't have no pressure. Our job, when we're tired, it's not hard. If you come on our way, you see?
Yeah.
Or you don't see me I do nothing, you just see me as a lazy man. Maybe you never give me $100. I go say, Baba sit up on his backside and not doing nothing. And then I work so hard and take up my money give.
Yeah, you know, some people that I did give money to may regret it.
Because I'm lazy.
Yeah, the woman that washed my clothes, best money I spend.
So look here now.
Yeah.
If you come and see me I do all of these work, you know,
Yeah.
and you go abroad and Miss call you and say, I beg you a $50.
Yeah. Easy.
Because things kind of
Rough.
tight.
Yeah, I don't know.
I don't believe I think it out. She said I work hard.
Yes.
But is that the money now run at certain times?
Yeah.
Yeah. Simple that.
It's truth, you live in truth now. He live in truth, you see? Some man live in lies. You live in truth.
Truth, yeah.
You're trying.
Yeah, me I try.
You're trying.
We try. Me not really get it there yet. I'm trying to
You're
get
trying.
there.
You send 3 youth go school.
Mm-hmm.
Then your daughter doing very good. Your son doing very. And it's an honor that another sons learn the trade.
Mm-hmm.
Keep the family tradition.
Right. So,
So-
me I try. Try to keep things.
So you're a blessed man because of 4 youth you have, right?
5.
5. You have a daughter.
You man, I have carry on a man, the big one.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Me only have 1 in a Baba.
I may have 2. Get this.
You're a blessed man. Man. God bless you. Count your blessings. Man.
Yeah, man. No, but me have to do that every day. God say count them every day you go on.
Don't-
And when you count them, one thing you have to do now, you will surprised as the days goes by. So I count my blessing. I just get up a morning time and run go boil tea. You count the blessing where tea come from.
Yeah.
Source. And ask for the blessing from the source that you continue. Some man not even look for where the blessing come from or in help. These are the things where we love to do. We do what we love to do. You know, really, I'm not about, I'm not good you. See, I make you flip. You know, me can help you along the way. I help you. But I honor the blessing of what I do. I love what I do. Count my blessing in the family.
So your back never really hurt you?
Hmm?
Your back never hurt you?
No, sir. What?
No, I mean, most of the time in your life you've been kneeling, you've been bending. You see? So you have to develop a technique, you know. Because it's back breaking work, you do.
Oh. Like you hear some people are bad for them back.
Yeah, yeah. Hanging with the real farmers. So you said about not going on a donation for the yam?
Donation? A yam country you seen come from, you know? I did the most yellow yam plant.
Chilani.
So you know, ask Mr. Bolt about yam. Because Mr. Bolt come from yam area.
So how much did you just process in the last 10 minutes? About 10.
A 10 hill you see over there?
1, 2,
A long
3,
time,
4,
1 10
5,
over
6,
there, man.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, about 15.
Right.
So 1 minute per if.
Yeah, check 1
You know where
minute
your
per
Tom?
My hat, right?
No hat, no Tom, nothing.
No bushman, man. The mosquito them know me. So then they place them to you plant them.
Yeah,
Partnership.
partnership. That's what I tell you.
No man and my woman them have to partner with me. A 3 woman I want in the bush with me, you know.
No, you see. Sometimes man, you see man in general. So I make a thing say all Solomon them are those great men.
Yeah.
They get distracted by human. And that and naturality, you see? Every man always that always reach them, you know. Because one man never remember. Man easy to forget. Because you were there, so no one like how you talk, you know, you see?
Yeah.
As early as the dollar start come, poof. When you look 2, 3, 4, 5 women are follow you come. And you don't remember say the one used to do the hard work. And when them come see this girl, yeah.
Yeah.
Ah, God Almighty. What requesting to put up
Yeah.
for your rich man? What's the cave you say about a grow? About a something we have on my bush there? Ah, When him done so far, you done tonight. You know, man, shop. They look how much man buy truck, buy government money and can't pay back. Womanize out the money. Marco and did it.
Any woman me drink rum with a rum bar or drink with, them a follow me go bush too. I tie chain palm for your foot and for them foot and them a walk with me. Me say you're married, once me left the church, I chain the power foot.
Yeah,
We's a chain gang together. When me get up, you get up. When me go farming, you when me drop, you drop. Me nah put the chain, you nah go nowhere, me and you go bush together. Oh.
really, as the money starts coming at the hand, master, things different.
That's why I love my grandmother, you know. That's the realest woman that me ever know. My grandmother special.
Get them in the head.
But them things that make woman fit, you know.
You must. Then you know, make man fit too.
If woman want to lose weight, I ask them for come.
Yeah, then fit come. My type of working are good for them.
Yes.
Step up and take down.
Make them firm.
Go and play that, Randy. What? Up you can see what I'm going for here.
You see, then I try to sabotage my thing. You know. I threw a rock on me. I will burn up a tree.
I will kill him. 10 long too much, we will kill him.
You know, the people that watch the video say, how come Randy not touch the dirt yet? How come Randy not plant? Dirty Randy, a whole camera. That's what I'm saying.
I didn't have plan. What do you want your plan on?
Them can't, you know what I'm saying? This dirty boy watch Baba for the whole 3 hours. And not even him.
Bend down.
Not even say, Baba, you want help with something.
No. I have to plan.
Me say, even when we bring the positive video to the people, them whine about everything. Them whine about everything. Why Baba couldn't get a better shirt than that? Why Randy no help the youth to bring the wire? Why Randy no help? Everything them see, them have to say something negative.
Towards it.
People, man, as people, boy, may I tell you, you show them the good in their life. One time I do a good video, you know. A man come and say, boy, them people are idiot, them are idiot. Let me tell you, sometimes I have to delete the comment them. Delete them, man.
So who then say that the people here move on?
Randy, you talk too much. Make Baba talk. So I say, if I ask Baba a question, how am I go?
How am I going to talk?
Tapping nice. Them don't know say I work, you know. I'm going to bring it, come get them. And then sit down on them backside, I watch video, I talk about, Randy, go do some more video. One of them raise me up, you know. Him say, if you not upload a video, Patrick in a tree there. I say, what happened to them people here? I say, you plant the yam, man. I see the technique. So somebody, one of them climbed the ladder there? Nobody climbed this? Oh, no, never. Danny, you climbed the ladder there?
Yeah, man.
Up on the tree? For what?
Go chop it down.
For chop it?
That one they want, you see that one they want.
Yeah, I said to me, man. This your ladder you don't climb?
Why you mean, they're not going to climb, so I'm not taking you up there. Someone said that they're getting you up there.
This your ladder, yeah? Oh, where they at, baby? Oh, God, man. That's too old for climb now. Maybe when you just did make. Maybe when you just make it, it was good.
So it's not good now?
No, man.
Every time we want to use it, we move it to another level. That's why I did it. Not done it done.
Man,
You think you done it done?
I have 240 pounds, so I don't touch that.
No, but I don't want you to touch it. But me and Denny go panic. Right ready there now, we climbing.
If me touch that, the lad I said, no, not you.
Not you.
No, not you, you're big.
You're too heavy.
You're too damn strong and big and heavy.
That's you.
The farm look good from here, so still. Look very nice. And this goes out to the bankers. We want a low interest rate. When you lend Baba money, no bother with the high interest rate thing. Baba make Jamaica people proud. You see me? This man is a national hero. Right, Denny?
Right, Randy.
So, when we come a bank for borrow money, to expand the enterprise, treat the man like a national hero because he make Jamaica look good. This is Jamaica good life. Hanging with the farmers, the real farmers, and them people that make Jamaica good. See there? The backbone of Jamaica is this. Food. Usain Bolt bring out the information and tell them, yeah, make him so fast. The more these films and TV, you know, we promote, the more the youth them say the goodness, and if they know the mathematics behind yam, you see, if TVJ did I produce yam planting and yam mathematics.
Yes, more youth that do.
You see, boy, I'm now, yo.
No, official.
If you get this scamming, the man says me plant. Look how yam easy for plant. And you mean say I 200 head me for plant and then me collect a whole heap of money. I don't go out to the business, yeah, man. You know much youth with that plant yam? Cause if them, no, how many Jamaican youth know the yam maths? They don't know. So how much can you make from one hill, Baba? For the 3 times you dig it. How much you will make from one of them?
3 times we dig it.
When you dig for 3 times, one of them hill, yeah, right?
You say 3 times what you mean?
When you reap from it.
No, 3 times you reap.
2 times.
2 times. Currently 2 times.
2 times. So when you reap from it 2 times, how much Jamaican dollar can you make from one of them?
One hill of them?
One.
It all depends on the price.
The price.
Where you get at the time.
They say the price is no.
If the price is no, like when the nigga yam the $100 a pound now. One hill of them nigga yam can give 8 pounds.
8 pounds.
Yeah. Just limit that right, Denny? 8 pounds, not true? Yeah, man. One hill will give 8 pounds in our first digging.
So 16 pounds total, approximately. Let's put
No,
it
the second digging now go so heavy. Because I cut
so let's say 14 and a pounds.
8 and 4, 8 and 4, 8 and 6, 14. Yeah, about 14.
14 pounds. And you say, so that's $1,400 per head.
Yeah, man, per hill.
Right? And if you have 1,000
hill,
so you have 100,400. Right?
100,400.
Yeah.
So,
for 1,000.
Hill I am?
Yeah.
You mad man? You don't sell 1,000 hill I am for 100,000?
No, I mean, a million, you say? A million we are going now?
A million in at that time, man.
A million! You see that, Denny? If you have 1,000 head, let me say it loud so the mountain can hear it. If you have 1,000 head of yam, right?
Not 1,000 nigger yam.
Nigger yam.
1,000 hill.
1,000 hill of yam. Let me say, eh? 1,000 hill of yam. Loud, you know?
Nigger yam.
Nigger yam.
Yeah, like them.
You will make about 1.4 million US dollars.
Not US, no man.
I mean America.
Jamaica.
I mean Jamaican, yeah.
Yeah, man. You can't make 10,000 out of it easy, man. You can't make 1,500 out of 100, you know.
So you say a million?
Yeah.
Is that right, Danny?
Can't see the million, man.
So why them their school are working in office building?
I tell you what Muta Baruka tell me, say, man. Muta say, if you may know, say, some man who will labor, make money, he knows in that I know university. You give money, make him go and go to the one.
So the problem with Jamaican is that the farming mathematics is not being taught.
No. People see it as dirty work.
They think this is
call it dirty work.
this is dirty work.
Yes, this is dirty work.
You know, man say money does grow on tree. The parents, them tell them money not go up on tree, that was damn idiot.
Aye.
Money
Money go
does
up on tree.
money does grow on tree.
Yeah, man.
Everything sometimes with the parents them say, go get an education, go get job, come out of the
Oh, God, you
field.
know, that me tell me picking them son, go and go get education. But all of the money we are then get now, you go to school. Millions. If the man take do some farming, right now have one of the biggest trailer for you.
If you took that and bought a couple of trucks,
Yes.
them would have up on the beach right now, I drink pina colada.
Yeah, no mas man.
Color. What me say? So if we start educating the young youths about the mathematics, because when you,
Farming world.
can you hear me I say, Baba? If a youth lease 5 acres of land, if him call me a foreigner and say, Ran, I have a piece of bush up there, so you know. When you come lease 5 acres for me for 100 US, right? And I want you to watch me. I go send a picture and I go plant the yam. Buy the yam them for me, Ran. And I buy the yam them for him.
5 acre land.
5 acre land.
Lord God, how you say? It's not the rich man that man.
Right? And 1 year we do the test. And him go plant the yam. And him send me a picture. And him stick the yam and say, Ran, the yam beer, you know. Come pay some man for me now to help me to reap it. The 5 acres. And Ran, rent a truck yourself. Don't go pay no truck man. I mean, me and you with the truck where you rent for the day. Drive it, go. Where we are going to sell the yam now, Baba?
Exporter.
Exporter. So we go straight to the exporter.
Straight to the exporter. You can't count the money.
Straight a
brother.
container.
So basically, Baba, for me start a business for the people abroad, all I need to do is spend $100 to come to Manchester and lease a woodland.
It's a piece of land, but you want more than 100,000. You go and save all of the 100,000 for him. You start chopping down. Start preparing for this to go party.
So once we prepare it once,
You think I could process me and do go through for happy I made a put yourself today?
you know, Baba, it's
A
a,
woodland is a come
Baba,
from me?
what I'm saying to you, with 5,000 US, that 5 acres can be prepared.
No. 5,000 US. 5 you mad. 5,000 US hour.
No 1,000 US.
5,000. Yes man. Yes
Okay.
man.
Bro, you're not hearing me.
All right.
Yes, man.
So if I invested 5,000 US,
Yes,
I
man.
can prepare 5 acres
And buy yam head too.
and buy the yamed
Yeah man.
I'll get your gun plant.
and plant it.
Plant off.
So then when it's ready for reap, would I make about 20,000 US?
Lord God, you make more than that man.
Would I make more than that?
Yeah.
So every 5,000 I invest, I make about 30,000.
Yeah, you make more than
Then
that.
come on,
I
man.
remember saying no.
Then if 5,000 investment yield
Remember,
30,000.
twice you're going out, you know.
Remember saying no. When you spend that the 5,000 this a year, you see?
Yeah,
Next year you not have to spend the more again, you know, because the same I'm left your head
of
there.
course, of course.
The same stick where you buy last, when you want to buy this year.
So
tell me
Baba,
today.
what you're telling me is if I'm in America, the best business, one of the best business in Jamaica is to take 5,000 investment.
No, man. Then if you buy invest around 3,000 US dollars, you see?
Yes,
You know, I am 3 years ago now, you see?
yes.
Right now you couldn't count the money. You could have just come out and want to build up house for the amount of
What are you saying?
Look
to
how
me?
you have there now.
What are you saying to me? So
$200
Baba,
pound for you.
I have, let's say, 2,000 in the bank right now. Me can go lease a piece of land right now.
If you have 2,000 US,
And you can administer a man for clean it and
yeah,
set
man.
it up.
And set it up and buy yam head.
And buy yamed and plant the
Buy 120
yam.
bag of fertilizer, put on.
Eh,
That's when you're ready for like that with dash.
yeah.
Lord God, when you set up all around 3,000 in there.
Because first you have to go weed it out and prepare it.
Them there, yeah man, them there go to, you never dig it done.
So that's what we need to do.
Yo,
Every
me tell you something, you see? Me see Philip plant 3,000 in there, my mind going.
3,000.
3,000. And we need one seal truckload of yam. One 10-wheeler. You know that, dig yam yet. 3,000 here.
And yam not spoil like that.
No man, I export and can't go man.
Him,
You know wait till yam type boy before you dig it.
him build house out of that.
You know below, you know below already. Buy another truck. Same how we sell
So we the foreigners struggle.
it. Same how we sell it. You see? You just go buy another truck there. You buy bulldozer and buy Marlwell.
Yeah, said to me.
Buy Marlwell, buy bulldozer.
Where said to me. So the problem with your business is that you don't have your own vehicle.
We don't have no vehicle yet. We have to buy a vehicle, man. Don't worry. We have to buy a vehicle, man. We have to take care of it.
Can you take care of the children's school already?
Yeah.
Now we are going to take care of the vehicle.
A vehicle we have to work at now.
And once you've done that, it's going to be Bennett Enterprise.
Yeah. Once you see we get to the vehicle,
Yeah.
cover the ground.
Me bring in a gun for protect you now. Me be
No,
security.
man. But you see, when you have gun now, that's a problem now where you not understand. You see, when you get gun now and come at them a place,
Yeah.
you dead quicker if you not no gun. Because them boy go there, wish me don't hear say you're going up and them a come for it.
Don't want your gun.
Yeah. And them a kill you and take you for no matter where you go and tell me how you smart, you see?
Cause
You
you,
go over here, so you come over here, you know say over here.
cause him want your gun cause it licensed.
Yes, you want to gun because food money, man. Gun a food money, you know. Gun is a food money, and when someone take your gun and work, you ain't gonna work it. So nobody consider about no gun thing. And once you start to go in the gun world, you're going to trouble. And man, I will kill you and take you from you.
Trust in a God, man.
Just in a God and go on, man.
Just in a the powers that be, man.
Yeah.
Me need to arm myself.
I don't trust no gun. But I no gun thing.
The way them young boy are going, you have to arm yourself, man.
Ah, man, if you know if you live with the youth, man. I just
Them
feel
little
close,
crackhead you around here, so. You have some little, a man take obey them while still. And if a man develop them.
You have to cooperate with the youth, yes, man, you're alright. You don't have to worry about no gun thing. What about yourself, Benny? Pick up that one there. What about yourself about no gun thing? No, man, you look like. Yeah.
So the hard part is weeding.
No night, no hard.
You know hard, the weed in the hard neither. How will you make up your mind?
But thing with nigga yam go, I advise a man to use chemical night.
No, we don't use chemical and I'm going to kill
kill
the
it. That's hard.
This I am going, you can't put chemical in it so you kill it.
But it's still like this now and when you stick you go through your mulch heavily. No grass no take it.
Look on them there. Look on them there. And I am that, you know?
No grass no take
You
it.
see?
Mulch heavy.
Look, them not get no mulch, and look how they're pretty. I see when you make look at them, man. I out of them with the cut and plant that thing.
Mulch heavy.
No, me still need some girlies here with bikini.
You know, busy with that, you girl and you bikini girl them. That's right. But me do say, you see, that's how you go get distracted and they do you all like your business go mash up. Because most rich man who used to get bankruptcy now, them they sit and mash them up. You know.
Me need some red label wine and some juice around here, so with some lemon and a jacuzzi with some music. And one of the women them a cook and a wine. Cook some soup.
When you left work, you don't have that, man.
When you left work, when you go to your room,
You don't mix the work with pleasure.
work and pleasure and no mix up.
When you left your work, you go on road, you do that.
Hey. Boy. Would I get more done if I say 2-3 women around me?
The only thing set up as I say farming where set up. We don't have no problem in coming here and do what you see we are here. We love to do what we are doing.
Me know the love for one though.
We love it.
This is a love. You see me? But I love it too.
We love this here.
But when I love it more with you, my bikini. I joke, man.
No, man. We don't have
Boy.
Bikini no dem mosquito terrace.
Just give them anti-mosquito repellent. Put a swimming pool right out there at the middle and make them enjoy themselves and put some mesh on the swimming pool. And yes, someone want my house to build now. I don't want nobody come visit me. Would I live right down here, so? With me and my wife. Alright, just are the perfect. You see all right up on the hill, right up there, so. But I pay man for build black around here, so. Nobody you. You bring all your friends them from foreign. Plant some
nobody now see you.
plant some good herbs. Play your music, no Babylon. Have your water. Nobody can bother you.
That's called Jamaica good life.
This is Jamaica good life, right there, sir. Peace and tranquility. Heaven on earth. Right there, sir. Right there, sir. Yes, sir. Jamaica good life, hanging with the real farmers, part 7. So some of the people them know want, yeah, I have some brethren have 20 acres of land, you know. So I tell my brethren good hearts and I have people in Manchester can help you farm up the thing, you know.
No much, man.
So when I'm ready, I just go hire people from me, so.
Yeah.
I go lease 5 acres, I'm 20.
Lease out 5 out tight. Once you can be here, yeah.
And me and him are going to business. I'm going to buy a van. And we go on the grill. We are going to ship and export thing. Don't make me come down here, man, and lease out a piece of land and get some man for work. It's in the passenger blood in the export. Because once me learn the system, it's done.
The system is if you learn, man. I tell you. Look how quick we plant after this.
Look how quick it's done. May I say